The Asus Rog Rapture Wi-Fi packs the world's first quad-band Wi-Fi 6E gaming router into your hands, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. A game-changing boost in speed that will leave you breathless. Imagine being able to download movies in seconds, not minutes. To achieve this, the ROG Rapture Wi-Fi boasts an incredible 16,000 megabits per second of ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E. That means 4 times faster speeds than your old router, and it's not just about the raw numbers, it's about the real-world impact on your gaming sessions. But what makes the ROG Rapture Wi-Fi truly special is its innovative use of a new 6 GHz frequency band. This wider channel and higher capacity deliver higher performance, lower latency, and less interference. In simple terms, you get to play games without lagging or dropping connections. It's like having your own personal superhighway for online gaming. One of the most impressive features of this router is its expanded coverage thanks to the exclusive Asus Range Boost Plus. This tech improves signal range and overall coverage, so you can stay connected even in hard-to-reach areas. Whether you're playing games or stream movies with friends, this router has got your back, literally. Now, let's talk about some of the other standout specs. The ROG Rapture Wi-Fi features two 10 gigabits per second WAN/LAN ports, which means you can enjoy up to 10 times faster data transfer speeds for bandwidth-demanding tasks like online gaming and file transfers. It's a game-changer for anyone who needs high-speed internet to stay competitive. Another feature worth mentioning is the 2.5G WAN port. This prioritizes all network traffic and unlocks the full potential of Wi-Fi 6. Ensuring that your router can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're running multiple devices at once or streaming 4K content, this port has got you covered. In conclusion, the Asus ROG Rapture Wi-Fi is more than just a high-performance gaming router. It's an all-out winner when it comes to speed, coverage, and overall performance. With its cutting-edge features like Wi-Fi 6E, 6 GHz frequency band, and advanced Range Boost Plus tech, this router is ready to take your online gaming experience to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your gaming setup and experience lightning-fast speeds that will leave you speechless. Check the link below to get your hands on the Asus ROG Rapture Wi-Fi and revolutionize your online gaming sessions.